What is your favorite Yiddish word or song?
Oh,
Something that is special to you. Or phrase.
it's a good question. I never think of it that way. I don't think I have a favorite. You know, like most of, I don't have a favorite color. I don't have a favorite number. I don't have a favorite artist. If we talk about Yiddish song, it's such a beautiful, vast, and the language. I can't say that there is one favorite thing, because what I love about it is the variety, is that there is all of that stuff in there, and it's all packed into one culture. So I can't. It's like who do you love better, your mom or your dad? You know, no. Like I love that it's a package, and that's what I love about it. Another thing I love is, like what I really appreciate, like the thing that I really love, is the new Yiddish words. I love that there's a development that is following, like that there's like a group of crazy fanatics that are going like, okay, Facebook, we're not gonna say Facebook, we're gonna call it like, I don't know, Punnenbichel, right? Like we want to have a, you know, like there are languages in which these new words are artificial and ugly, and somehow in Yiddish I appreciate how it's being created, because it feels like it's natural
And it's big.
yeah, and it's part of keeping the language alive. It's talking about like the language going on and it going into the future and all of that. I think that's very important.